you will take good care of them.
Of course I shall. They're in safe hands.
Make sure you behave for Miss Banshee, kids.
We shall find them a new home soon enough, but until then, you two shall join our little family. We may not have much, but what we have, we share. See you soon, officer.
If there's anything you need, don't hesitate to contact me.
You are too kind. Good night. You will have the most wonderful time with us. It's time to start a new life. This is where you shall be sleeping.
Where are the beds?
Why, you ungrateful little child. What do you think I am, made of money? Get in there and find somewhere to sleep. Ungrateful little urchins. Everything I do for them, and that's the thanks I get.
You can sleep over here if you want. Can you read us a story? Shh! Alfie, go check to see if she's gone. Coast is clear. Let's show them. You don't even know them. They could be spies. Don't be so stupid. They're just like us.
Are they really? I know if I was Miss Banshee, I'd send in assassins.
I think you're overreacting. Besides, if they try and tell on us, I'll smash them into 1,000 pieces.
I don't think I want to know. If you lay a hand on my sister, I will smash you into 1,000 pieces. Shh! Don't shh me.
If Miss Banshee hears us, we'll be in big trouble.
I'm not scared of her.
You should be.
She's a mean, horrible woman. Why would they put someone like that in charge of an orphanage?
Because no one cares about us.
Don't say that.
It's true. We have to look after each other.
People care. They just don't know. We have to escape.
Escape is impossible.
Nothing's impossible, remember?
I'm possible.
Exactly. Now, let's show them.
I'm not really sure about this.
For a superhero, you're such a wimp.
Let's show them.
Are you crazy?
No one calls me a wimp.
We're showing the bad guy the secret layer. Batman would never do that. Who are you calling bad guy?
I have an idea. Let's blindfold them. That way, they won't know how to get there.
Then we can show them the entrance. I trust them already.
Do you guys mind if we blindfold you just for the first time?
Don't worry, it will only be for a moment.
This way. Watch your head. Don't be scared. Make sure you put the board back.
Done. Get ready for the lights.
Take the blindfolds off.
Hit the lights.
Welcome to Cardboard City.
Wow,
it's
so
amazing.
cool.
Everyone has their own little place. You can make yours too. Addie, why don't you show...
I'm Madison and this is... I can tell them my own name. My name is Sam.
Come and see my princess castle.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's so pretty.
I hide in here to get away from Dale and Billy. They always use me for their silly superhero games.
It's not silly.
You're so ungrateful. The amount of times we saved you.
This is the entrance to our secret lair.
On Sweeps, on your trust, we'll let you in. Come and see my house. Come and see. Don't do it. It's scary. This is my monster house. It's the scariest place in all Cardboard City. You know why it's so scary? It's because I put all the monsters I find in a room that they can never get out of. One day I shall lock Miss Banshee in and throw away the keys.
Come and see my pet store. I've got lots of animals to take care of.
I love animals.
Well, if you want, you can be my assistant and help me with all the animals.
I would love to help.
You can look after Barky. He's very loud, so be sure not to let him out when Miss Banshee is around.
Whose is this place?
It's mine. Come and try. But be warned, you may never leave.
What is it?
An escape room. Once you've entered, you have to figure out lots of different puzzles to be able to leave. But it's almost impossible.
One kid went in there and never came out. What? That didn't happen.
It did too.
He got adopted and went to a home.
That's what Miss Banshee told you. The truth is, she ate him. No, she did not. He went to a home, just like we will all go one day. Miss Banshee is mean, but she wouldn't kill any of us. I don't want to die in here.
Don't upset her. You all know he went to a home. There's hope for all of us.
Which one is yours?
I run the school. She helps us to read. Miss Banshee doesn't let us read or write, so I have to teach them. Maybe you can help me.
Madison writes her own stories. They're the best.
Why doesn't she let you read or write?
Because we have to work during the day.
Miss Banshee makes us wrap and pack Tupperware all day.
Red alert! Miss Banshee's coming back!
Everyone, back to the bedroom. We need to blindfold them.
There's no time.
We wouldn't tell Miss Banshee.
Through the hole! Let's go, let's go.
Close it, quickly! In bed, now!
Glad to see you've settled in. Make sure to get a good night's sleep. There's lots of work to do in the morning.
Don't worry, we'll look after you. We're all family here. Can you read us a story? Why doesn't Madison tell you one of hers?
Please, Madison, tell us one about the kids stuck in a castle waiting to be rescued. Is there a princess? And a villain?
And a hero?
And a monster?
And do they escape from the castle?
Yes, yes, all of that and more. Gather around and I shall begin. Once upon a time, there lived an evil ogre who locked kids up in the castle. The ogre was big and smelly, with red